Color grading in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, opening the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the application launches, locate and press the Create New Project button. A project settings window will appear, allowing you to configure the project according to your preferences. After you finish adjusting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located below the workspace and import the footage that you want to color grade. Once your footage has been imported successfully, press the plus button again and select Rectangle to add a rectangle shape to your timeline. After adding the rectangle, locate the three-dot menu in the top corner of the screen and press it. From the available options, select Stretch to Composition Area. Next, select the rectangle layer and open the Effects menu. Press Add Effect to access the effect browser. In the search bar, search for Copy Background and add it to the rectangle layer. Open the effect browser again and navigate to the Color and Light category. Inside this section, you will find several color correction and color grading effects. For this tutorial, choose Color Tune and apply it to the rectangle layer. After adding Color Tune, open its settings and begin adjusting the controls according to your preferred look. You can modify different color values until the footage matches the style you want. To improve the color grading further, return to the Effect browser and add highlights and shadows to the rectangle layer. Adjust the highlights and shadows values based on your preference. Next, add another effect called Light Glow. Open the effect settings and adjust the glow values until they complement your chosen style. Once all effects have been configured, you can compare the results by turning the rectangle layer off and on. This makes it easy to see the difference before and after the color grading. By following these steps, you can successfully apply color grading to your video in Alight Motion.